In this video, I talk about foods that are healthy, but if you're trying to lose weight, they're high in calories, so you might want to stay away from them. I also show alternatives that if you just replace those foods with my alternatives, you're probably going to see weight loss progress. Like, seriously, it's taking out so many calories. So watch this video. By the end of it, you're going to know a bunch of secrets and alternatives that you can apply to yourself and see progress. Okay, so enjoy the video. Bye. Capitano Fitness here. What's up? So today I'm going to go over some foods that you should probably stay away from if you're trying to lose weight. Okay, so most of us, we're trying to stay lean. We're trying to build muscle. We're trying to just lose body fat for aesthetics. The foods that you should stay away from are the ones that are high in calories that don't fill you up as much as you'd like. Okay, so peanut butter is probably the biggest one because everyone loves peanut butter. Probably the people who are allergic to it don't love it as much, but if you're allergic to peanuts, you hate peanut butter, probably, right? Or you love peanut butter, but you're still allergic. But, so, here's why peanut butter I say you should stay away from, okay? So, if we look at the calories, okay, so 190 calories per 2 tablespoons. Now, that's not like big freaking tablespoons, okay? I'm gonna actually go get a spoon and show you what 1 tablespoon looks like. Now, I'm not a chef, so I'm not going to be perfect on this, but when they say 1 tablespoon, it's like this much, okay? It's like that much peanut butter. It's not much at all. So if you're eating a bunch of like diet foods or low calorie, like vegetables and stuff like that all day, and then you decide to have 2 like big scoops of peanut butter, it's probably messing with your calorie intake for the day. And it's probably hindering, that's the right word, your progress, okay? So stay away from peanut butter. If you like the taste of peanut butter in like protein shakes and stuff, highly recommend you buy this stuff because 2 tablespoons of this is only 60 calories. So you're saving a ton with the PP2, okay? So next, avocados. Now, avocados are great. There's a bunch of healthy fats in this. Good for your health, bunch of benefits, okay? You can do some Google research, get into that. But avocados are great for that. Now, here's the problem. They're also high in calories, okay? So I'm not saying don't ever eat avocados. I'm just saying don't have 5 of them a day and think you're being all healthy and stuff, and this is the secret to losing weight is to eat healthy foods. It's not always the case. Because a lot of healthy fat foods, like nuts, like avocados, like peanuts, almonds, things like that, that are high in healthy fats are also high in calories usually, okay? So be careful with avocados. This is probably like 250 to 300 calories right there, and it's not very filling for most people. So if you're going all day eating right and then you decide, oh, I'm going to be healthy and eat an avocado, like, it's just high in calories. So I would say stick to only 2 to 3 avocados per week so you still get the healthy fats, but you're not overdoing it on the calories, okay? So next thing I have to go get from the kitchen, I'll be right back. Okay, so the next thing is olive oil or any oils that you could buy at a store. So like almond, did I say almond? Avocado oil, coconut oil, olive oil. They're all the same, okay? So they all have healthy fats. Now, if you look at the calories, 1 tablespoon of olive oil is 120 calories, okay? So if you're using this to cook your, like, plain chicken, you're using olive oil to cook that and you're putting a bunch on it, it's a lot of calories, okay? So it could be messing with your weight loss progress if you're using olive oil. Switch to spray to save a bunch of calories. Like 120 calories for 1 tablespoon of olive oil is just insane. You can have a Greek yogurt ice cream bar for 100 calories or even 80 calories. They have 80 calorie ice cream bars. So would you rather have an 80 calorie ice cream bar or 120 calories worth of 1 tablespoon of olive oil? I'd go for the ice cream. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to make a group of this, but I only have ketchup to kind of use an example. But sauces or condiments in general. So what I always go for is the less sugar ketchups or barbecue sauces. And if you're in the store and you want to buy a sauce, always look at the nutrition label because this is a great option. 1 tablespoon is only 15 calories. They even have less calorie ketchups than that, but this is a great choice. So 50% less sugar options are the best you could do, or just like no sugar added. Because I don't know this off the top of my head, but 30 to 50 calories per tablespoon for like regular ketchup, probably, I don't know. But you have to be careful with the sauces, because if you're eating like plain chicken or plain steak or something like that, actually I shouldn't use steak for an example, but if you're eating something like plain chicken and you think that that's low in calories, which chicken is pretty low in calories, like chicken breast is low in calories, and then you dump a bunch of high calorie sauces on, you might as well have a cheeseburger, because you're adding so much calories with that, right? So if you're making stuff like chicken, cheeseburgers, like, I don't know, any other thing, and you want to add a sauce to make it taste good, then always go for the low calorie stuff, because you're just saving that many calories and it adds up over time. Like, you might think there's no difference between 15 and 30 or 50, but over time, like 1 tablespoon of that times 30 times a week, like, it's just a lot. Okay, so peanut butter, switch to this, okay? Avocados, still eat them, but don't overdo them thinking they're this weight loss healthy food. Oh, another one, soda. So if you think diet soda with 0 calories is going to mess up your weight loss progress, you're wrong. Okay, so if there's no calories, then there's no problem. And there's like artificial sweeteners in, but if you're trying to lose weight and you have a soda addiction, then switching to a diet soda is going to be healthy long term, because we don't really know like if artificial sweeteners give you cancer over time. We just don't know. We don't have enough research. But we do know obesity and being overweight will lead to health problems, most likely. Okay, so it's better to go for the diet or 0 calorie artificial sweetener stuff than it is to stay with the real sugar soda. Like, you see what I'm saying here? You might as well eat artificial sweeteners if you're overweight trying to lose weight, because we for sure know obesity and being overweight leads to health problems. We don't know that artificial sweeteners over long periods of time leads to health problems. We just don't know. So you're better off using artificial sweeteners if you're trying to lose weight. So sparkling water or diet soda, Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi, anything 0 calories, use that over your high sugar, high calorie drinks. So peanut butter, almonds, nuts, like all this stuff high in calories, cut that out, replace it. Powdered peanut butter, boom. Don't overdo it on the avocados. There's a lot of calories in this. Switch to cooking spray. Stick to 0 calorie drinks, diet soda, Diet Coke, whatever you want to do. Stick to low calorie sauces. That pretty much, like, over time, if you switch to those different like low calorie stuff over time, like just making that switch, you're gonna lose weight. Like, assuming your diet stays the same and you switch these out, like, you're losing weight already, right? You don't have to do much work than that. So if this video helped, leave a like, comment below. Boom. This avocado is not ripe yet, so I'm gonna wait 2 days and then eat it. Put it in like a spring roll or something. So I will see you in the next video. If you have any questions, DM me, email me. Actually, email me. Don't DM me, because I don't get those on YouTube. But anyway, for coaching, my site is Capitano.Fitness.com. If you want nutrition plans, get you in shape, get you stronger. Gyms are closed right now, but we're working with what we got. Nutrition's the most important thing if you want to lose weight. So you have to change your nutrition. I keep kind of looking off the camera, but you got to change your nutrition if you want to lose weight. It's the most important thing. So don't let coronavirus be the thing stopping you from losing weight, okay? It's all about nutrition. You don't need to lift weights to lose weight, although it helps a lot. But nutrition is 95% of it. Make these changes. You're going to lose weight just for making these simple changes, okay? Capitano.Fitness.com for coaching. Again, see you guys in the next video. Bye.